So this is a quick how-to on removing the grommets from the bolts on a Chevy Impala 3.5 liter V6. Most of the GMs, older mid-2000s V6s had this same design. And so the problem I had was trying to replace the rubber bushings around the bolts. And I couldn't find any videos, so when I figured out how to do it, I thought I'd make one for everybody else. So what I ended up doing was I ended up taking a 7mm socket and I flipped it over and took a rubber mallet and hit the socket to the inner metal bushing in order to push it through just a little bit to get it started. And then I used my hand on the other side to basically pull it out the rest of the way. Just give you an interesting tidbit about the hole. The bottoms both seem to have a flat side, whereas the tops have a circle. So just be careful not to break any of those. This is a quick view on what the bolt looks like without the bushing, and just putting it back on is pretty simple. So just taking and putting rubber bushing is kind of hard to do with one hand. Pushing it through and then taking it, pushing it through the hole. There you go. Just give you a quick look. That's all there is to it.